Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video we're going to talk about insert and overtype modes on your keyboard and how they can impact your work in Eclipse. Insert and overtype mode being turned on or off without a user's knowledge is something that we get called about pretty frequently in tech support. Insert and overtype mode are controlled by the insert key on your keyboard. Depending on what size your keyboard is, you might have an independent insert key, or it might be bundled with another key, and you may need to use your function key to lock and unlock insert mode. Since insert mode is so important in the way that your keyboard functions work, it's one of the indicators along with caps lock that is taken directly from Windows and displayed in Eclipse. In the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, in the status bar, you can see the insert status. If you don't see the status bar, you can go to Window, View Toggles, and status bar is the very first checkbox. And if you don't have that checked, you won't be able to see those helpful indicators at the bottom of your screen. So right now, my insert indicator says INS. If I turn caps lock on, I'll get a cap indicator here as well. And so with insert displayed in the status bar as INS, I can begin typing anything that I need to in my document, and it is inserted in front of the text that I'm typing in front of. And everything that I continue typing continues to be inserted in front of that existing text. However, if I hit the insert key on my keyboard, you see that in the bottom right, the INS indicator has been replaced with OVR, and that means to overtype. And so if I move over to a word, and I turn on type mode, and I begin typing, it types over the text that is there instead of inserting it in front of it. Now that might be helpful in some instances, but it's not going to be helpful if you need to insert missing text. In this example with OVR turned on, if I wish to add words in front of the word about, such as a little, the word about is eaten up. And so in that case, I would not want to make the edit while overtype was on. Instead, I would want to hit my insert key so that I have insert mode turned on. And now I can type in whatever text I need to without modifying any of the existing text. But I can hit the insert key again to turn overtype mode on. And I can type a different word altogether if I'd like to. Learning how to use insert and overtype effectively in Eclipse can save you a little bit of time. However, it can most importantly save you some aggravation. We frequently receive tech support calls about insert overtype, usually because overtype has been enabled and a user doesn't realize it. And so if you find yourself trying to type a word, and it is instead replacing the text that's already there instead of inserting in front of it, the most likely cause is that overtype mode is enabled, and if you simply hit insert, you'll be able to type in text instead of overtyping it. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.